Hi there, I'm Aroga, your librarian. If you're tired of unreliable resources and endless links, and you need trusted surgical knowledge, you're not alone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to access Surgery, a reliable and comprehensive database by McGraw-Hill, available through IMU University Library. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to the IMU Library website. Once you are on the home page, click on the login button at the top right of the page. Then, click login via IMU email to proceed with your IMU credential. If you are a first-time user, you will be required to enter your IMU email address to verify your access. Once you have successfully logged in, your name will appear in the top right corner of the page. To access to the Surgery database, click on the eBook tab. You will find Surgery listed as number 3 on the list. Just click on it to open. There are 2 logins options available. You can use Easy Proxy Login via Microsoft Office 365 or Shibboleth. Both options will give you full access to the database. Welcome to the Surgery homepage by McGraw-Hill. Here, you will find a wide range of resources including surgical topics, videos, and reference materials. You can use the search bar to look up for specific topics or navigate through categories like procedures, disease, and more. Now, let's try searching for a specific surgical topic. In the search bar, type appendectomy, which is a common surgical procedure, and click search. Once you click, you will see a list of resources related to appendectomy, including book chapter, video, audio, and many more. You can also narrow down your search using the filters on the left-hand side of the page. Before we go in depth, let's create an access profile to get the most out of the platform. On the home page, click on My Profile and then click Sign In or create a free access profile to get started. Now, click Create a free access profile, fill in all your details and then click Create Profile. After your account is set up, sign in and you will see your name appear in the top right corner of the page. Once you have created your account, you will have full access to all features in Surgery. You can also access McGraw-Hill's Access Collection on the go by downloading the Mobile Access app. Scroll down the home page just below the search bar where you can find the option to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. You will also notice an automatic carousel here. It highlights the key books like this one, Schwartz's Principle of Surgery by F. Charles Brunicardi. You can also click the other navigation dots and explore the resources recommended by McGraw-Hill. On the top navigation bar in Surgery, you will find sections like review questions, cases, video and audio, study tools, books, and more. These tabs are designed to help you easily navigate the platform and access various resources. Let's take a quick tour of the main features in Access Surgery. First, we have review questions, where you can test your knowledge with question sets based on clinical topics. Next is the cases, which presents the real-world clinical scenarios to help apply what you have learned. Then, under videos and audio, you will find high-quality visual content demonstrating key surgical procedures. In study tools, you'll find quizzes, interactive 3D modules, and the clerkship corner. The books section provides quick access to core surgical textbooks, all organized by specialty. Finally, under More, you will find additional tools like quick reference, drug information, and patient education handout. All these features are designed to support your learning and clinical training. Now, let's explore how to access a textbook in Access Surgery. From the home page, click on the Books tab, click View All to see the full list of available subjects in Access Surgery. For example, let's select SWOT's Principle of Surgery to view the content. You can type a keyword into the search bar to find specific topics or simply click Show Chapters. For example, I choose one chapter. Each chapter includes text, figures, and also tables. You can bookmark, annotate, highlight, or even download chapters for future reference. For your information, Access Surgery integrates with Hypothesis, a platform that allows you to highlight, annotate, and share notes directly on the content. You need to log in to use this feature. Accessing textbooks like this makes learning surgical concepts more convenient and interactive. Let's go back to the home page. There is a featured content organized into useful categories, such as featured books, featured website review resources, featured cases, and featured videos. As you scroll down, you will notice the top resources showcasing key surgical specialties such as general surgery, vascular surgery, colorectal surgery, and AppSite. Below that, there is New on Access Surgery, which highlights the latest updates, and the Popular Chapters section lets you quickly access the most read and highly recommended chapters. This floating menu stays with you as you browse across pages. It gives you quick access to useful sections like your dashboard, recommended, recently viewed, favorites, collection, review question, and cases. The dashboard is your personalized homepage. Here, you can quickly access your recently viewed items and manage your collection and favorites easily. Now that you know how to access the Access Surgery database, it's time to start exploring. Now, whether you are reviewing topics, preparing for exam, or exploring clinical skills, Access Surgery databases bring it all together in one place. Thank you for watching. Bye!